Hey everybody, I'm at the JLC trade show. I'm at the Flex booth with Andrew. Andrew, thanks for having us, man.
Pleasure.
This is brand new. Can you tell us about the sander?
Yeah, it just arrived into our warehouse, so it's selling right now. But it's at 6.1 pounds, the lightest sander that's on the market.
Oh wow!
So if you feel that,
this is like a
that's a carbon fiber.
carbon fiber. That's why it's light, right? It's
That's
nice.
part of the reason why
Yeah.
it's light. But I'm going to show you the other closest competitor right here, and feel how. Yeah, right.
No, it's definitely heavier. Like maybe twice, 3 times as heavy.
Yeah, so this
Wow.
is at 8.8 pounds. This one's at 6.1
Deltoid
pounds.
work up.
We also have a light that you can put on the head of it.
Cool.
So I'll show you the illumination in a
Okay.
second. But if you were to have it with the light, then you're looking at 7.2 pounds. All right.
Okay.
So some of the other notable things on it. So variable speed on the bottom here, and this is where the motor is down here. So this is also why like the balance is very nice on here.
Yeah,
You
and
know,
that's
that-
got to be a shaft, like a speedometer shaft type thing. It runs the head.
Yeah, so then it runs it up here, and then this gives you the ability to 160 degrees. You know,
Nice.
you have the ability to really kind of have that flexibility. That's something that's problematic on a lot of the other competitor sanders is the stiffness in the head. So we see a lot of sanders out in tool cribs that are coming back for repair because of the breakage that's happening up on the headpiece right there.
Now, can you telescope this at all, or is it's
No,
a
it's
fixed
not.
length
It's,
right now?
yeah, it's not a telescoping head.
Residential height.
Some contractors work with the telescoping heads. You see that maybe more in some residential.
Yeah,
You know?
yeah.
And that's
Taller ceiling.
That's a nice thing. That's something that we don't offer right now. But this is our 120 volt unit. We also have a 24 volt unit that is arriving in July.
Really,
So I
cordless.
yeah. Again, I don't know if I told you that already, but this unit without the light, that's $799.
You did, yeah.
Okay, and then without the light, it's $649.
So, question for you, Andrew.
Or with the light, I'm sorry, $799.
If we go, if you go to the 24 volt that's coming out,
Yeah, let me show
how
you
will
that
it
unit.
activate sanding? Oh, you have one.
Yeah,
Ooh,
so this
look at
is the cordless unit right here. This actually I can show you because it also,
And this is coming out when?
we have the light on this one. This is a July launch.
Wow. Okay.
So you have 2 modes. You can even
I want to
brighten
tilt
up
it
even
so
a
the
little bit
camera
more.
can see this light. Let's just turn it for a minute. So it's got like a continuous, almost a continuous
Yeah, you have a halo light around it.
halo light. Yeah. And then the brushes. Wow. Very nice.
And, like, very nice. You can see that. And it's it'll come with 2 5.0 batteries. Actually, the kit we're looking at maybe doing a bare tool for that instead of
Tool
it.
as well. Yep.
Yep.
What about price point on these 2 different models?
What was that?
What about price point on these 2
So
different
this
models?
is $899,
Okay.
and that one again $799 with the light. Without the light, $649.
Okay.
You know,
All right.
but the closest competitor, or not the closest competitor, that's well, I could say it in as far as performance, it's a $1,600 unit.
So you're actually competing with the Festool unit. That is
Oh, absolutely.
impressive.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well done.
Right.
I can't wait to try this out. Do you you have a vacuum you guys hook up to that?
Yeah, so this is part of our legacy, like Flex. You see 2 different colors on it.
guess-
The
yeah.
cordless was all the black and the gray. The legacy, all the corded, that was
been
like
red.
a maroon color.
Yeah.
But so we still have some of that around, and that'll get changed over and shot in a different
So
color.
I understand how this will work. This will plug in and it'll be tool activated vacuuming. How does this turn on the vacuum?
So
The cordless one, I mean.
it's also activating it right there. You can see, right? And you're coming in.
Go ahead and stand a little bit. It'd be great. Pretty quiet. Not a lot of dust kicking out. That's nice.
I hope not.
Yeah. Well, I mean, some of them you do. So on the cordless one, how do you activate the vacuum? Will there be some sort of a Bluetooth connection?
Yeah, we have that on our new 2.5 gallon vacuum. You can use it. It's a smaller vacuum though, so I mean maybe good for a residential or like a spot job. But if you're using it with this, you're going to have to go to kind of the manual because that Bluetooth that we use with the 2.5 gallon vac that you can see over where the cutting table
Yeah,
is. That's
yeah.
a new. That's a
Okay.
new tool for us. It's also compatible with our stack pack system right here.
So the way that does the vacuum, the smaller vacuum, pair with the cordless sander through the battery or through the tool? Is it Bluetooth through the battery or?
Yes, it's through the Bluetooth
On the
mechanism.
battery.
Yeah, and then there's you put a band around the tool here, and it detects the vibration.
No way.
Yeah.
Interesting. So, and okay, so this is out now, and that's coming out. And
That's
you said
correct,
in
in
the summertime.
July.
July.
Yeah.
That is really great. Thank you so much for running
Yeah.
us through it. I really
Yeah, for
appreciate
sure.
it. Thank you, everybody.